Hey everybody, welcome to my Tesla Model 3 long range, my big red Tesla long range as I call it. Anyway, I bought the long range, but I wanted the performance pedals and I wanted to give it a try. So I took the old pedals off. Let me tell you, that was easy. The hard part comes next because when you go to take the pedals off, remember these rubber ones, they do flex. The metal ones do not flex. So I turned off the audio on this video because I said a few words that weren't appropriate. But just like you can see here, it's not as easy as just flopping it on there. You have to use every finger and slide it right over the pedal. Now the brake pedal has a pad, but the gas pedal does not, or the fun pedal as we call it. So you have to get all that rubber across all of that without having being able to flex the entire pedal. So it looks great when they're on. They really look good. They feel good when you're braking and when you're accelerating. As you can see, this is the final product. And this is my Model 3 long range, making it more and more like a performance every day, just in looks. The 8K was a little bit higher than I wanted to pay, but thank you. Please subscribe, like, and share. Have a great day and enjoy your Tesla.